Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, I have a playlist full of technology tutorials like this one, which I hope will be helpful to you. So, today's video tutorial is about how to change the Add Friend button to a follow button on your Facebook profile for those who want to add a follow button to their FB profile. Here are the simple steps, and I hope you can follow along easily. The first step is to update our Facebook app. To do this, go to the Play Store and update your Facebook app. Once it's updated, open the Facebook app. Now that we're in our Facebook account, let me show you my FB profile, which still has the Add Friend button. Go to your profile. When you're there, click on the three dots next to Edit Profile. Then find and click on View As. You will see my profile, and it says Add Friend. Now let's go back to our Facebook account. Next, we move to the second step. Click on the three lines at the top. But before that, if this video has helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Let's continue. Now click on the three lines, scroll down, and find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, then click on Settings. When you're there, scroll down and find Audience and Visibility. Here it is, I found it. Next, click on How People Find and Contact You. When you're there, find Who Can Send You Friend Requests. Click on it. It's set to Everyone. Click on it and change it to Friends of Friends. Once you've clicked on it, that's okay. Then we have one last step. Go back and return to Audience and Visibility. Next, find Followers and Public Content. Click on it. Then you will see Who Can Follow Me. If it's not set to public, change it to public. Click on it and set it to public. That's it. Your FB profile will now automatically have the follow button. Now let me show you if the follow button is indeed on our FB profile. Go back and go to your profile, click on the three dots, then click on View As. You'll see the follow button is now there, whereas it was Add Friend before. So that's how simple it is to add a follow button to your FB profile. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also click the bell so you're always updated with our new tutorial videos like this one. And leave a comment if you have a topic you'd like me to cover. Just type it in. Don't be shy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.